Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new American Thunder system for the 2000 through 2004 Toyota Tacoma double and extra cab models with 4 or 6 liter engines. This Cat-back single system features a flanged inlet pipe, a Super 50 series muffler, 3-inch Mandrel bent tailpipe, and is finished off with a polished stainless steel tip. As an American Thunder system, it will typically produce a moderate performance sound level that can be heard both inside and outside the vehicle. If you're looking for an increase in power, torque, or mileage with a performance sound, this is the system for you. This stainless system is backed by our limited lifetime warranty and includes all the necessary parts and hardware for a great fitting installation.